In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to apply for the CITI Double Cash Card online. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up CITI.com. Then from here, you'll need to go over to credit cards and then click Explore Credit Cards. From here, you'll be able to go over to view all 28 cards, and then you can go up and search for the Double CITI Cash Card right here. From here, you'll need to click on it, and from here, you'll need to click Apply Now to apply online. From here, the application page will pop up, and from here you'll need to enter your personal information with your first name, middle name, last name, and suffix. You'll also need to enter your email address, so Citibank can contact you whether or not you have been accepted into this specific credit card program. From here you'll also need to add in your social security number or ITIN number right here, and of course your date of birth. From here you'll need to answer whether or not you're a US citizen, and here you can click yes or no. And then if you click no, you'll need to click the citizenship for your specific country. From here, you'll also need to add in your address and phone number so Citi can send your new credit card to you. And here you'll need to add your street address, apartment, zip code, city, and state. You can also click if you want to provide a PO box, which is optional. From here, you'll also need to enter your phone mobile number, and you can also click if you have a phone mobile number instead, and you can write it right here. From here is where you'll need to enter your financial information. And here you'll need to add in your total income annually and your monthly mortgage or rent payments. You'll also be asked if you want to take part of a total annual income to exempt from US federal income tax, and if you're not sure if any of your income is taxable, you should refer to your tax documents or consult with a tax professionals. And if you click this, you'll see the non-taxable annual income, and you can write it right here. Here you'll also need to enter your authorized users, and if you click here, you can be able to add several other people inside of your address who will also have access to the CITI Double Cash Card. From here, you'll need to enter a security word, and here you can choose either one of these and then enter your security word over here. From here, you'll see the terms and conditions, and I highly advise you to read all of it so you have a better understanding of what this credit card is and what the rules are. From here, you can click that you agree to the above card and terms and conditions, and that you agree to the paperless terms and conditions and the alert terms and conditions over here. From here, you'll need to click agree and submit, and then from here, you'll get a receipt from Citibank about you sending in your application to get the CITI Double Cash Card. Then after a few days, Citi will answer you on your email whether or not you have been accepted into the credit card. That's how you do it. If you have questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!